Hello everyone, my name is Navin Singh. So in this session we'll be discussing KPSC KAS paper 2020 which was held in 24 August, which was held in 24 August 2020. Okay, so we are discussing the general paper 1, that is question paper 1, and the question paper version is A. Okay, so note, that is, keep in mind that we are discussing internet based answer, not the official answer. I'll repeat, we are discussing the internet based answer, not the official answer. So let us begin with the questions. Okay, okay, first question is match the following. We have to match the list 1 and list 2. Stamp duties and duties on medical, that is stamp duties and medical, it is obviously it is duties levied by union government but collected and appropriated by state government. So again it is matched to the A is matched to the one, it is duties on succession to property other than the government land, other than the agricultural, other than the agricultural land, that is it is a tax levied by the union government and it are assigned to the states. Okay, again it is matched to the second one. And taxes on income other than the corporate tax and taxes on agricultural income, that is taxes levied and collected by the union government and distributed between union and state. Again it is matched to the third one, and fourth one obviously it will be matched to itself, that is these matched to the fourth one. So excess duty on items other than medical and toilet preparation, that is taxes levied and collected by union, but which will not, which may be or may not be. So it is actually may be distributed between union and the states. So the correct option will be the first one. Let us move to the next question. That is second question is which state or union territory has released the booklet for students on Ambedkar teachings? That is answer is Delhi. So recently the CM of Delhi, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, has been launched this scheme for really for the school student on Ambedkar teaching. Next one is next third question is cave terraces are formed by the deposits of. The answer is for this is Valley Glacier. The answer for this is Valley Glacier. Okay, let us move to the next one. That is, which of the following statement is true with reference to Nayanars? So they are Sangam poets. No, they are not the Sangam poet. They are Shaiva saints. Yes, they are Shaiva saints. They are composed by devotional poetry. Yes, and they are known as Puratanas. Yes, they are known as Puratan, but they are in their number is in 63, not 64. The answer is 63. So this will become wrong. So correct option for this is option number 4. That is B and C. They are saints. Obviously, these people Nayanars and Alvars are Tamil poets. Okay, were the group of 63 poets. Nayanars for the group of 63 saints living in Tamil Nadu during the era of 6 to 8. That is 6 to 8. You can say common era after BAC. After common era, who are devoted to the Hindu god. So these Nayanars, uh, you know, devotees of god Shiva, and Alvars. Alvars are devotees of god Vishnu. So correct option will be the fourth one. Now let us move on to the next one. Who among the following was recently appointed as the director of National Foundation of America? They're asking the director, that is director of National Science Foundation of America. That is answer for this is uh, Sethuram Panchanathan. Sethuram Panchanathan. Okay. Recently, Donald Trump has been appointed this as the director. Donald Trump appointed Sethuram Panchanathan as a director of National Science Foundation of the America. So let us move on to the next one. That is sixth question. Consider the following statement. Corporate tax is levied on income of both registered and unregistered company and corporations. So no, they cannot levy tax on unregistered companies. The first one is wrong. Next one is corporate tax is levied on income of individual and Hindu undivided family. Again, this is wrong. We cannot tax, corporate tax cannot be levied on Hindu undivided family. And the next one is corporate tax is levied only on income of the registered company and corporates. 100% correct. Correct option is C, not the A and B. So correct option will be option number 2. So let us move to the next one. Name of the recently launched first satellite in Ethiopia. That is satellite of Ethiopia. That is option for this is uh, so answer for this is ETRSS. ETRSS. So it was in news because it was launched from China. Okay, it has been exploded. That is, it was exploded in the space. Okay, in 2019 December. So that is the reason why they have. It's an important question which was asked. Okay, okay, correct. Next one, question number 8. Layers of freezing or frozen water on the top of river, that is ice or land, it's termed as, answer is nullets. Nullets. Okay. Next one, in the history of Indian coinage, punch mark coins have a special place, that is which are followed by the statement true or false. Let us see the whether they are true or not. Okay, they are the early coinage in India. Mm, yes, they are the early coinage in India. And they were not circulated in South India. Yes, correct answer. We can notice symbol on one or both sides of the cross. Yes. And fourth option is these coins are made up of silver. Yes, these are made up of silver. Correct option is option number third one. Okay. Which country recently declared emergency on uh, Galapagos Island? That is, answer for this is Ecuador. Answer for the Galapagos Island is Ecuador. Let us move to the next one. 11th question. It is related to current affairs. That is, Nirbhaya gang rape and murder convict filed mercy petition with the President of India by using constitution provision of the sentence is a sentence of death, as per which article of the constitution did the president reject this petition? Obviously, they're asking the uh, presidential power, that is president power, is related to article 72. Article 72. The president power is article 72 of part 5. Correct option is option number 3. Let's move to the next one. The unemployment which is associated with inadequate of productive capacity to create enough job for all those able and willing to work, with refers to it refers to structural unemployment. It is a type of unemployment which is associated with inadequate of productive capacity. Okay, to create enough job for all those who are able to or willing to work, is referred to as structural unemployment. Next one is question number 13. Who described the Indian Constitution as quasi-federal? The option for this is K.C. Veere. Okay, quasi-federal means it is neither unilateral nor federal structure. It is a combination of both. It is combination of federal as well as unitary. So it's the combination of federal and unitary. It is called as quasi-federal. Okay, so the option is correct. Option is K.C. Veere. Okay, let us move to the 14th question. India's ranking climate risk index is its rank is fifth. Okay, fifth in the world. Okay, 2020, in the year 2020. Next one is migration transition theory put forth by Zelensky is based upon dash, that is, it is based upon demographic transition model, DTM. It is based on demographic transition model. Demographic transition model. Question number 16. In context of Hindu iconography, In the context of Hindu iconography, the term Chaturvimsati Murti. Chaturvimsati Murti referred to Chatur means four. Okay, Chatur means four. So we have to find the two in that. So it will be found in sculpture scenes depicting the story related to Leela from no, it is not the correct one. Uh, Sculpture of goddesses shown in slaying Asuras. No, Samhita Murti Shiva, which shows us Shiva in a furious mode. No, uh, forms of Vishnu identified on the basis of attributes of four hands. Yes, four is the clue here. So you can find the answer like this. So Chatur means four. So the correct option will be the fourth one. The forms of Vishnu identified on the basis of attributes of his four hands. That is option number 4 is the correct one. Let us move on to the next one. 17th question. Recently, the first woman pilot of Indian Navy dash joined the naval operation in Kochi to fly the Indian Navy, fixed wing Dornier surveillance aircraft. That is answer is the correct answer is Sub Lieutenant Shivangi Swarup from Bihar. So Shiva, it is related to again current affairs. Okay. Next one is 18th question. GNP, gross national product. GNP means gross national product. So gross national product, it is an economic question. So GNP measures the total domestic and foreign output claimed by residents of a country. So correct option is the first one. Total domestic and foreign output claimed by resident of the country is the correct answer. Question number 19. Who appoints the Attorney General of India? Obviously, it is a popular question from polity. That is the answer is President. The President of India. Okay. Next one is question number 20. Uh, 20th question is Immigration Bill 2019 proposed by Immigration Bill 2019 proposed by the Ministry of External Affairs in the Parliament will replace which of the following existing act? It will replace Immigration Act 1983. The correct answer is Immigration Act 1983. It will replace the Immigration Bill 2019. It will be replaced by Immigration Bill 2019. Okay. It was proposed by Ministry of External Affairs in the Parliament. Okay. Next one is 21st question. Which of the following is particularly famous for rich deposits of many rare minerals? That is, answer is South Africa. South Africa. The source of this question is NCERT. Okay. So which of the following factors are common to the coin issued by Indo-Greek and Kushanas rulers? Option A, effigies of Greek and Indian deities. It is correct option. Bilingual coin, obviously, both side bilingual two languages coins, correct. And use of gold and copper. No, they were not using gold and copper. The fourth option is portrait of king. Yes, it is the correct answer. So A ACD belongs to fourth option. Correct option is 22nd is fourth one. Next one, 23rd. Let us move to the next one. 23rd question says, which of the following ministry has recently announced to set up a central consumer protection authority? Central Consumer Protection Authority is launched by Ministry of Consumer Affairs. It is launched by Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Distribution. The correct option is option number 3. 24th question. Which of the following is not a non-tax revenue? Non-tax revenue is interest tax. Okay, on interest tax there is no tax. We cannot, it is a non-tax revenue. Government will not tax on interest. Okay. Next one is liberal political parties aim at. Liberal political parties aim at. Yes, they aim at reforming existing institutions. Liberals reforming existing institutions. These are liberal party, political party aim, or you can say ideology. Okay. Next one is crop grown in Zay season. Zay season is basically summer season. Okay. Zay season is nothing but summer season. So in summer season, soybean is not correct, not the correct one. Maize is not the correct one. Jute. The correct option is watermelon. Watermelons are grown in Zay season. They basically say Zay season is summer season. That is example of Zay season are a crop which is grown in summer season are rice. Okay, corn, cucumber, or you can say a watermelon or pepper. Pepper is also grown in summer. Pepper, tomato, 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 or some of the some other cereal grains. Okay. Next one. Let us move on to the next question. 27th question. Samudragupta is known as the political conquest from his Allahabad pillar inscription. In this context, which of the following statement is true? Okay. Uh, he made frontier ruler of Kamarupa, Samatata, etc. pay obscenous tribute to him. It is correct. It is correct. Correct answer. He expelled the Shakas and Murundas through war. It is not the correct one. He defeated, captured, and later released the king of Palakka, Kottura, and Avamukha. It is correct one. And option number fourth one is he exterminated Yodayas, Mudrakas, and Malavas. It is not the correct one. So correct option is A and C. So it will be option number one. Option number one is the correct one. Okay, let us move to the 20th question. Recently inaugurated Defo Bridge connects between which of the following two valleys? It connects between Dibang Valley and Lohit Valley. Okay.